Shamie Higgins and my informative speeches over hurricanes. According to the Creation and Communication of Hurricane Risk Information 2012, Katrina, Rita, and Ike are all hurricanes that have caused damage and have even killed thousands of people. From Hurricanes 2015, the Gulf of Mexico's region of the Atlantic hurricane season is between June 1st and through November 30th. Katrina first struck in the Gulf Coast on August 29th in 2005. When it was the first to make landfall, it was a